In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add custom commands to your Kick stream using KickBot. So step one, we're going to head to kickbot.app. Once you're here, you can see there's all sorts of features you can use. You can download your VODs. We have a custom clip command. You can edit your VODs. We have a whole bunch of overlays and widgets, as well as a Stream Deck plugin and a lot more. But for this video, we'll be focused on the custom commands. So once we're here, we're going to press login with Discord. This will bring up the Discord sign-in page. We just need to press authorize. And this will bring us right into the KickBot settings. So once we're in the settings page, we're going to need to enter our Kick username. My username is HenryK89. I'll save that. And we can see it was successfully updated. Now we can head to the bot category, which is where the custom commands are. There's also, as you can see, a bunch of other features. After this video, if you have some time, I'd recommend going through these and checking some of them out, but we'll be focused on the custom commands. So once we're in the custom commands page, we can see that we need to verify our account to access this feature. This is basically to make sure that you are adding features or commands to your account and not to somebody else's. So step one, we need to go to kick.com/kickbot/chatroom. Then we need to open the chat and type verify with this code. So I'll copy this code and we'll click on this link. I'll paste the link or the code in here. See if it was sent. Then we need to add KickBot as a moderator on our channel. So head over to your creator dashboard, and then in the moderator section, you can press add new. Username is KickBot. It should be the only result, and it should be the verified one. So I'll press that. I'll add it. Mine is already added, so I just got an error, but yours should add here. Then we'll head back here and we need to click verify. I'll press verify. It takes a second to load, and then you can see we're good to go. We can now access this feature. So there's a couple things to configure here. The command, the response, and who can use the command. So I'm going to create a command. I'm going to call it Discord. And then all commands are prefixed with an exclamation mark, but you don't need to add this to your command. This is automatically given. So you can just type in the command. So mine is Discord. I'll make the response, join our Discord server with a link to the Discord. And anyone can use this command. I'll save it. You can see it was saved here. And if for some reason, let's say we made a typo on our Discord invite link, we can edit it by clicking on this. We can edit it, and fix it, and we can press save. And you can see it's good to go. Let's say I want another command called follow. I'll call it don't forget to follow me. And we'll say only mods can use this. I'll press save. You can see it was added. Now, once we go to our Kick channel, if we try out the command, we'll see KickBot responds with our response. We can try follow. You can see it responds to that response. And that's really all there is to it. You just need to configure these, and if you ever need to change them, you can change them here. You can also remove them if you don't like the command anymore. That should be all you need to know. If you have any issues or if you have any questions, feel free to join the KickBot Discord server. There's an invite link down here. And then we also have documentation on all of this in case you miss a step or if you're having any issues. But hopefully this is helpful, and happy streaming.